My sister was born in 1927. When I was 1 year old in 1936, they moved to the place that I spent almost all my years in Brooklyn, which was 513 Montgomery Street, which was about a mile east of Ebbets Field, where the Dodgers played. It was a two-family house attached physically to another two-family house. So there were 4 living areas, but the two-family house had both places had the same entryway. The people that owned the house lived upstairs, and he was a butcher, I remember that. And then we lived downstairs on the first floor, but you had to go upstairs to get to the first floor. And then underneath us was a basement that we shared, which had a ping pong table in it, and the furnace, and some storage area that the two families shared. You walked into the room, into the apartment, and there were 2 probably meant to be living areas, but the front living area, my parents had turned into their bedroom. And then as you walk through the apartment, there was a kitchen on one side and a bathroom on the other side. And then in the back were 2 bedrooms. One was mine and one was my sister's. So it was meant to be a 2-bedroom apartment, I guess. My parents had 2 children. The people upstairs, the owners, I think had 1 child, but who was much older than I or my sister, and we hardly ever saw him. I remember seeing pictures in the basement. He was an officer during, this is the owner's child, he was an officer during World War II. He was a white officer of a all-black regiment. So there were military photographs of him, but I never really knew him.